Finding healthier ways to cook delicious family meals doesn't have to be complicated and time-consuming. That's why we've created the Oster XL Airfryer with DuraCeramic. The XL Airfryer has a 3.3 quart capacity to cook larger portions of food favorites, so it's great for entertaining guests. Cook whole potatoes, over a pound of French fries, or even a family-sized chicken. The XL Airfryer uses hot, rapid air circulation to cook from all directions, which means you can enjoy the same taste and texture of fried food using only a tablespoon or less of oil. Using 99.5% less oil than conventional deep fryers, the Oster XL Airfryer features a removable basket with a non-stick coating that's easy to clean and BPA-free. It's multifunctional, allowing you to fry, roast, and bake nutritious home-cooked meals every night of the week. The XL Airfryer with DuraCeramic. Enjoy the amazing taste and texture of fried food with fewer calories.
When considering an air fryer as highly rated as ours, there's only one choice left to make: red, white, or black. Under every coat of paint is the same beautifully designed device, guaranteeing easy meals from start to finish, no matter what color you pick. It even gives helpful hints along the way. Need inspiration? Our chefs created 100 ideas for you and rigorously tested each one to ensure delicious results. Missing summer cookouts? Every entree needs a side. And to top it all off, get recipes of your own. Join the growing COSORI community on Facebook to share and find new food to try. So what are you waiting for? Find out for yourself. Revolutionize your kitchen.